Happy New Year, guys, and I wish you an amazing 2021. Let's get into this video for today. So, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing the nails that you saw at the beginning of this video. Right now, I'm just wiping my nails with acetone just to, clean my nails and make them look nice. Just to start off this nail process. Next thing I'm doing is filing my nails. So, I do this just to create some amount of friction so that when I put the glue and I put the press on, they kind of just stick together and leave for the period that I need them to be there. So next thing I do after this is to clean up the dust from the filing. So I'm just cleaning the nails individually. After that, I add some cuticle oil to protect my nail, which kind of feels, I don't even know, it feels not too right, but well, I want to protect my nails, so I'm doing it. So the next thing after doing this is to get the nails I want to put on. So I got this random nails from Sirens in Canada. If you live in Canada, you know the shop called Sirens. They were selling this for about $2 or $3. I can't remember. It was on sale. I think the original price is like $8. I was tempted to buy more than one, but thankfully I did not buy more than one because I would have regretted it. It would have been a waste of my money. Not because nails are bad, but because they just were not really compatible with my nail type or my nail shape. So this glue that comes with it, I never use it. I bought a regular glue from the Kiss brand from Walmart, and that's what I'm going to be using for this video because I feel like all those nail glues that come with the pack don't work. Okay, so now I'm just matching my nails to see which ones will go well with the press-ons, just matching the press-ons to my nails based on the numbers. This set runs from 0 to 9, and that's like a really narrow range, to be honest, because most of the other brands run from like 0 to 13, so it's easier to find the nails that will match your nails with those other brands. But it's just okay, I was able to manage it and find something. By the way, do you guys have any plans for 2021? For me, one of my goals is to get my channel monetized. So that being said, if you are watching my channel and you're not subscribed, please, I'm here to beg you and ask you to subscribe, okay? Especially if you've been coming back to watch my content, please subscribe to my channel. All right, and that being said, I think my other goal is to lose 3 inches on my waistline and get my waistline to 25 inches. I don't know how possible that is, but let's just say it's another goal of mine. So the main goal is definitely to get my channel monetized. Right now I'm just adding some glue and then I'm putting the press on top, and I'll just hold it down for a few seconds, say maybe 15 seconds. I can't remember how long I held it down, but I pretty much just hold it down that way for some time so that it sticks. Usually I hold it for 60 seconds when I'm using the adhesive tabs, but I was just freestyling or winging it, to be honest. If I felt it was holding well enough, I'd just leave it alone, but you don't have to hold it down for too long anyways. So back to my channel problem, or my monetization problem. The joke is on anyone that thinks that you should not come to YouTube with the mind that you want to make money. Please, I'm here to tell you that I'm here to make money as well, okay? I do enjoy creating content, but in order to sustain this, I need some form of income, okay? So that is why I want my channel to be monetized. All right, you can be passionate about something and then poverty will make you tired of your passion. So please, if you can avoid that, avoid it, okay? So now I'm just putting glue on each of my nails and attaching the press-ons to them and holding them down for a few seconds to ensure that they are sitting well. So I would advise that you start with your dominant. Start by putting the nails on your dominant hand. That's it, on your dominant hand. That way when you're applying nails to the other hand, it's kind of easier, because if you do the less dominant hand first, you tend to it becomes a little bit hard to do the other hand because you already have nails on. So I'm right-handed and I started with my left hand, which was a bad idea. So From now on, I'll start with my right hand. That's it. So if you're left-handed, start with your left hand. That's pretty much the advice I'd give. So now I'm almost done with the nails. Just have like a few more to do, and definitely always start with your pinky finger. Don't start with your thumb because it's just going to be hard to do other nails if you start with your thumb, because you're pretty much going to use your thumb to fix almost every other nail you have there. So right now I'm kind of done with the nails. Please tell me about your goals in the comment section, okay? Tell me something. It might be to sleep more, to eat more, to rest more, to play more, to exercise more. Whatever it is, I mean, there's no, you don't have to be afraid to make plans for 2021 just because of how 2020 went. Just, make new plans, okay? So this is like the finished look of the nail. I didn't like these nails when I did them initially, but right now watching this video, I kind of love them, and I wish they kind of fit my nails better, but they had to go because they were causing me some of them were causing me pain, and then the rest were just popping out. But enjoy clips of me just feeling myself and showing off my nails and feeling good. So here I was just taking pictures and watching Kelly's video. Kelly's new song, I think it's a new song, I don't know. So I have more clips of me feeling myself, and y'all take a look at this gorgeous girl. Okay, the category is skin or maybe neck, whichever one rocks your boat. It's not even up to 24 hours, and look, this guy's gone, this guy's gone, this guy's gone, and this guy just came off now while I was trying to open my camera. I don't know, man. I mean, if everything would just fall off, that would be nice. But these two, this one and this one, they don't even look like they're about to fall off at all. They're just there, sturdy, and they're giving me pain. Because I think I probably used like the wrong nail. Maybe like it's too small, or it's just too curvy. I think it's too curvy. So it's just causing me pain, like on the side here and here. So uncomfortable. I was going to just go ahead and put them back right away, but I think I'll wait. Till, I don't know, maybe this evening. If more fall off, I'll probably just forget about it. But if they don't, I'll probably put all this fall back. This one's kind of feels sturdy. This one I did it back yesterday, so it feels sturdy. It doesn't look like it's gonna move. I'm not sure about these two, but these ones I'm so sure of, they're just there to stay. But if one of these two will fall off, I'm definitely going to remove the entire thing. But if they don't, I might just put all these nails back. Two more nails fell out, and I just decided to take the rest out. I dipped my fingers in acetone, and then I took the other ones came off. So basically I'll be avoiding nails that kind of look like this. I'll get ones that are a little less oval, so that they would match my nails better. But enjoy more clips of me feeling myself in these nails because they actually did look good. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, bye, and please subscribe, okay?